river pushing 15 barges heading northbound slow. Hands cracking, bleeding from the housing lines. Throwing, losing ratchets till I'm losing my mind. Diesel fumes choking, waves slapping the hull. Captain shouting down, boys, we ready to roll. Hitch after hitch and this floating hell, but that overtime's calling like a church bell. Chasing overtime, blizzard and raw, breaking my back in the river's thrall. Sweating my eyes, calluses deep, working like a dog just to get some sleep. If you don't like it out here on the tow, there's a cubicle waiting back home for you, I know. Yeah, I'm chasing overtime, that's my call. Living free on the water, giving it my all. Like master calls us on the radio, crack gate swing shut, heavy, ain't no turning back. Rain lashing sideways, deck slick and cold. Ratchet thin lines till my fingers won't hold. Wives back home waiting, kids growing tall, sending half my paycheck to pay for it all. But this boat's my outlaw, running wild and free. No suit and tie boss here telling me what to be. Chasing overtime, blizzard and roll, breaking my back in the river's thrall. Sweating my eyes, calluses deep, working like a dog just to get some sleep. If you don't like it out here on the tow, there's a cubicle waiting back home for you, I know. Yeah, chasing overtime, that's my call. Living free on the water, giving it my all.